Hi, welcome to Scuba. This is the new Apeks XTX 100 regulator. It's a fully balanced cold water system with a balanced diaphragm design and environmental seal for cold water use. First stage is the Apeks FST first stage. So it's fully balanced, it's a diaphragm system. It's designed to give the same high level of performance at any depth and any cylinder pressure. Environmentally sealed to again improve the cold water use, and it is designed for temperatures below 10 degrees, so obviously meeting the CE approval for that. The low pressure and high pressure ports are in fixed configuration, angled out at the optimum positions to give good convenient hose routing. There are 4 low pressure ports, 2 on either side, and 2 high pressure ports, again 1 on either side. At the bottom you can see the environmental seal, and that's what basically keeps the parts inside dry, prevents water interacting inside. It also adds a level of contamination protection as well. It's available in the DIN 300 bar that you can see here, just underneath the cap. But it's also available in the A-clamp, which is 232 bar as well. 2 stages are joined by a very flexible braided hose. Braided hoses are much lighter, again they're flexible, but also has some safety features as well. They have much higher burst pressure compared to rubber hoses, and they are UV protected as well, so you don't get any damage from UV protection like you would on a normal rubber hose. The XTX 100 second stage is very similar to the XTX 200, which is the next step up. It is finished in the satin coating as per the first stage, so it gives it a nice tie-in. Loads of features. The whole housing is reversible, so you can get a technician to reverse it if you want a left hand for maybe something like a twin set. Heat sinks on the inlet, again it's an extra layer of cold water protection. Just draws out some of that cold that is generated by the air as it decompresses. Full metal barrel inside, so again it helps dissipate the cold. Got a compact housing. Front cover, big purge button on the front, obviously designed into the features, and it's got underneath basically a diaphragm protector. So if you're in strong currents, they don't actually interact with the diaphragm directly. The ambient pressure is transferred, so you get the balancing, but a current doesn't interact and help, and sort of might cause a free flow. So you've got an extra layer of free flow protection in there. On the sides, got a venturi control. So again, this is another layer of free flow prevention. In its minus position, it's forcing air back towards the diaphragm, which obviously forces it out and closes the valve. So you've got that protection. Put it in the positive mode, and air is directed straight to the mouthpiece, and you're obviously getting maximum airflow. On the outside, you've got an inhalation adjuster, and basically you can wind this in and increase the resistance on the spring and valve mechanism. So you're making it harder to breathe, but you're also improving the protection for free flow. So you've got the effort required to open the valve increases. So all these add up to a very reliable second stage that is great as a redundant system as well. And then just winding it out will obviously give you the best performance. On the bottom, you've got an interchangeable exhaust cover. Standard is fitted with the wide cover, so exhaled air is directed around the side of the face, so great for photographers or anyone that doesn't like the bubbles coming up in front. But it is interchangeable, very quick to take off. Literally by pushing the centre button, you can slide the 2 parts off. And then in the box, you also get a much more compact version, much more streamlined. So if you're going to be using it as a redundant, you can put this on, and it just reduces the chance of snags that you might get on the wider version. So obviously a very high performing, balanced system, got the cold water and contamination protection, great for cold water use. That's the Apeks XTX 100.